Hello everyone, so it's another day and another opportunity to fly the drone. I got everything charged, as you can see. I flown this thing yesterday and I gave it to my dad as well. And unfortunately he crashed, so the drone already had a crash, as you can see. The propellers are a little bit scratched. I already ordered the new ones. Alright folks, we still need to check if everything's working with the drone, so I'm about to fly it right now with the nicked propellers and scratched a little bit ones. And yeah, we'll just see if it's still working as it should be working. So turn this thing on, turn the drone as well. As you can see, it's alive. Okay, let's put this thing. I also didn't want the cover this time on the gimbal lens. So yeah, here we go. Mavic Mini already connected, and let's go fly. It says gimbal is stuck because of the cover. Let's take off.
Take off.
Okay, I'm good to say that it's pretty stable. It's not bad. Let's fly up.
Maximum flight altitude reached. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, so we're landing.
Landing.
Works great. I think we will take off this cover for the gimbal because you know, the drone works just as it should be working. It's not. Alright guys, second tour, and we're going to fly this thing without the cover. I just took this thing off and yep. Fuck.
Masz drzewo.
It's actually beautiful.
O, kole. Nie widać go trochę.
Dobra, nie będzie.
ISO. Czytaj, fokus. Cienie trochę są.
Tam jesteśmy.
Patrz teraz na jakiś widoczek.
Okay people, so here as you can see we've got a lake. A very beautiful lake. Yeah, it's very nice. Okay, maybe let's go higher. Let's go to the maximum height. We're currently at 70. Going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. 80. All right, we're at 90 at the moment. Hundred meters. 113 meters.
Samoloty na jakiej?
120, 23. Okay, the flight altitude exceeds 120. Aircraft may be a violation of local laws, but we're not in a restricted area, so we can fly further. Alright, we're at 135, 40. Okay, the signal is lost. Let's go to 150. Okay, 150. We're at 150 meters. It's a little dot in the sky at the moment.
Gdzie to jest?
You can see a beautiful lake, Miedwie Lake.
Ładnie.
Okay, let's go down maybe. So this drone has the maximum height of around 500 meters. It's capable of flying at about 500 meters. And yeah, we went to 150. Let's point down to see. Okay, so we're above a tree.
Coś ci przyszło. Jakiś komunikat. Będziesz lądować? Co, znosi go na lewą stronę, czy nie? To co zrobiłeś, że go nie znosisz?
Nie wiem. Nic. Czekaj, chcę tak nad domem, żeby było widać takie przybliżenie jakby.
Kurde, uważaj, uważaj! Kule, kurna, wiedziesz. Nie, bo w dom wiedziesz. Ale może wyłącz to auto, co? Jakiś sport, tryb twój. Kule, uważaj! Co zrobić? Dobra, skończysz nagrywanie?
Nie jeszcze.
Tylko mgła jest? Nie widać przez siebie.
Tam jest.
Kombinator, kurde. Teraz powinieneś tak do nas, w naszą stronę, tak na fulla, ale nie, nie rób tego, nie rób tego, nie rób tego.
Let's go! Fajnie drzewo widać.
No, kurde, nie. O, ten. Uważaj, stop! Stop, 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 stop! Stop!
Alright people, now we are just testing different modes. So first of all, let's try out the slow mode. So we're inclining at about 1.5 meters per second and declining at -1 meter per second. Not bad. When it comes to the speed, it's 2.5, I guess. Around 3 meters per second of the speed. Okay, now let's just switch this thing to the normal mode, so inclining 2 meters per second and going down at 2 meters per second as well. Flying forward. The acceleration is greater in these modes. The top speed might be the same actually. Alright, now let's just switch this thing to the sports mode. So in sports mode, it's inclining really fast. You can see it's super fast. The acceleration is definitely present there. And now when I go forward, it's really fast.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds. Go home.
Okay, now it's going home. Automatically, I'm not doing anything.
Landing.
Great. Drone itself is a beautiful thing. If you haven't flown yet any drone already, then I highly recommend you to do so because they're amazing. Let's turn this thing off. Same with this part. It's off. And let's recharge the batteries. Alright, so that's about it as for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm currently editing the video for you guys and soon it will be on the channel, so stay tuned and yeah, watch my content. If you want to see more videos about some drones or maybe me testing some apps on mobile devices or PCs, let me know in the comment section what else would you like to see on my channel and I will test this thing for sure. Check out my channel for more content. See you in the next one. Bye.